Every night sipping on potion, trying to trick away some emotions, trying to get out of hypnosis, baby. Oh yeah. And all the texts I'm texting you is still getting no reply. Still 3 dots, no response. I said, if you could just do one thing for me, cause attitude on grubbing, bro, getting kinda bubbling. You acting like you're so far away from here.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a brown blown out smoky eye, which makes for a really nice grungy glam look. I'm just going to start off doing my brows really quickly, and I'm using a NYX brow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. I'm cleaning up my brows using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So whenever I do my brows, I make sure to bring the concealer all the way down to my lids. So now I'm just going to set that using my Mercier setting powder. So the first shadow that I'm going to be using as my base and my transition color is going to be my matte brown script eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Dipbrow in the shade chocolate, and that's going to go on my lid. And I'm just placing that directly on the lid and no further, because if it goes further, it's going to be harder to like blend out and make it look good. I'm going into the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm using the dark brown shade in there, and that's what I'm going to use to blend everything out and blend it together. I zoomed in so you guys can see that it's going to look like it's not blending or anything, and it's not moving, but the more and more you blend, the better it's going to look and the more it's going to come together. And that lace wanted to be so stubborn on my wig today, but I was just like over it, and I figured once I pull my hair down you won't even be able to tell, so just disregard that lace. So I'm using one of my favorite liquid eyeliners. This is by Kiss New York, and I'm just making a nice wing. Off camera, I put on my lashes, and they're in the style Bay by Bebella Cosmetics. You guys already know how this is about to go down. I'm about to use my Angel Veil Primer by NYX. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. The only thing I did differently is use another one of my favorite concealers, and that one is by Nars. I set that with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I set the rest of my face with my Laura Mercier powder. I just realized that I use a lot of NYX products because they have really quality makeup and it's really affordable, so that's definitely one of my favorite brands. Now I'm going in with my blush by Black Radiance, and then I'm going to add some more drama to my eyes by using the same shades that I used earlier, the brown script, and then I'm just going to use the brown from the Modern Renaissance palette. Then I'm going to go in with my highlighter, and that's Ruby Kisses. Lastly, I'm going in with my Chestnut Lipliner by MAC. Then I'm going in with my NYX Lingerie lipstick in the shade After Hours. And in the middle of my lips, I'm going in with my Tartiest lip paint, and that is in the shade Birthday Suit. So that is it for this video. I really hope it's something different for you guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And lastly, make sure you are following me on Instagram and Snapchat at christijae, and I will see you guys in my next video.